Hi, boys and girls. I'm Tyler.
And I'm Rick.
And we're the NAPA Know-Hows.
And this song is about something very important.
It's about what to do if your car gets an ouchie.
Like?
If you're cruising along to the latest hit and your blades are streaking quite a bit, don't break down and pitch a fit. Just yell out, you piece of shit. A little odo-dappa. It's no problem, I'll just go to Napa.
See, it's fun, like playing games or ignoring work emails. Let's try again.
If you're driving along and you're feeling well, but your battery's dead, as you can tell, before you let that anger swell, just yell out, what the hell, little odo-dappa. It's no problem, I'll just go to Napa.
Now you're getting it, but just in case you don't.
Now you're looking to scratch that road trip itch, but your lights go crazy when you turn that switch. Don't start acting like an angry witch. Just yell out, you son of a bitch, little odo-dappa. It's no problem, I'll just go to Napa. When you need new parts, don't go and curse. Just take a deep breath and go to Napa first.